Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to recover your Worldcoin account. So what you need to do is, of course, download the app from the Play Store or from the App Store and open it up. And this is the first screen you will see. Now, right at the bottom, it says, I agree with the user terms and conditions. You want to tick that. And here, you want to tap on existing account due to the fact that we are trying to restore an account. Here you will have the options to restore an account. Now there are a few different options. First of all, if you are using an iPhone, if you originally registered your Worldcoin account on your iPhone, you can use the iPhone account. So this is if you've signed up using an iPhone within 2022. You can restore your account using your iCloud. The very top option is the Android account. Now, if you've signed up with an Android device in 2022, you can restore your account using your Google Drive. But if you go down here, this is still a relatively new feature and it is only available to certain people in certain regions. It's the existing World ID. Now, this allows you to create a new account and restore your old World ID. Okay, so if you tap on this, if it says coming soon, it means it's not available yet in your region, and you will have to then back up from your Google Drive account, which you can do so just by selecting the appropriate option over here, either the Android account or the iPhone account. And all you have to do is tap on restore with Google Drive or restore with iCloud, and it'll take you through the processes. Now, you'll have to, of course, have your Google Drive connected first of all when you first had the app open, so that you can actually restore it from that Google account. If this video was helpful, please do drop us a like and we'll see you next time. Peace.